Are you willing to do what it takes to differentiate yourself in your market, in your business, in your niche, in your specialty, like that of the Komodo dragon? This animal is one of a kind. It is the largest lizard, and it has earned the distinction as a dragon. No, it does not breathe fire. It is not involved in a fairy tale. It is in many tales of what it does. It survives. It dominates in its market. It is top of the food chain here in Indonesia. 4 islands populate this one-of-a-kind animal. It takes down its prey. It dominates. Are you doing that with your business? Are you dominating? Are you taking every competitor out just like the Komodo dragon? You've got to do what it takes. I'm doing what it takes to communicate the perfect metaphor for you to grow your business, differentiate yourself in your market, and control it. This has venom in the jaws. It has weapons that are unparalleled on this distinctive island. Do you have weapons in your marketing that differentiate you, give you the power to control your market? What arrows do you have in your quiver? He has got claws. He's got venom in his jaws. He's got 60 types of bacteria that drip out and take down its prey. Do the same distinctiveness in your marketplace. Mitch is out.